In this video, I'll show you how to screen record on your iPhone. Whether you want to record gameplay, save a tutorial, or capture something happening on your screen, this feature is quick and easy to use. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. Let's get started. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center. If you don't already see the screen recording button, you'll need to add it. Tap the ++ icon to edit your controls, then choose Add a Control. Search for screen recording, or scroll through the list until you find it, then tap it to add it to your control center. Now that the control has been added, you're ready to start recording. Open the control center again, and press and hold the screen recording button. Here you can choose where your recording will be saved and decide whether you want to record with the microphone on or microphone off. Once you're ready, tap Start Recording. You'll see a short countdown, and your iPhone will begin recording everything on your screen. Use your iPhone normally while the recording is in progress. When you're finished, tap the red recording indicator at the top of the screen and select Stop. Your screen recording will automatically be saved to the Photos app, where you can watch it, edit it, or share it with others. The next time you want to record your screen, simply open the control center and tap the screen recording button. There's no need to set it up again. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to screen record on an iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.